Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, then this is the best time to buy this tablet at a price point under 25,000 rupees using SBI credit card on Amazon.in. A lot of users wanted to know a lot of things about this tablet, and I have made tons of videos on this tablet. So if you want to know all the answers related to Tab S7 FE, do check out the channel and watch those videos that will give answers to your questions. Now the question arises, should you buy Tab S7 FE in 2024? Because this tablet was launched 3 years back. In fact, recently Samsung has launched Tab S9 and S9 FE, but those tablets come with Exynos processor, and they are killing the Fan Edition tablet because Fan Edition tablets were known for their specification and Snapdragon processor. So if you don't give the Snapdragon processor, what is the use of the term Fan Edition? This is the reason behind a lot of users buying Tab S7 FE even after the new device, that is Tab S9 FE, is available. Moreover, when Tab S7 FE was launched, it was priced at 42,000 rupees, but now after 3 years, it is available at a price point under 25,000 rupees during offers and sales. According to me, this is a value for money device if you get this device under 25,000 rupees, as it comes with 12.4 inches IPS display. The display quality is excellent. HDR content and multimedia consumption is a treat to the eyes. I watch a lot of multimedia stuff on this tablet and I thoroughly enjoy the multimedia experience on this tablet. This will give you an immersive experience and you will not miss the AMOLED display, as it doesn't come with an AMOLED one. Outdoor visibility of this tablet is also very good. You will not feel any kind of legibility issue with this tablet. As an added bonus, you will get the S Pen inside this box, and this doesn't need any charging, so you will enjoy your writing on the go. Tab S7 FE has a lot of features for S Pen, so you can do your productivity task on this tablet, such as writing notes, taking screenshots, or making live messages. The only thing that might be a deal breaker for many users is the future software updates. Normally Samsung pushes every month one update, but as it is 3 years old device, this tablet may not get Android 14 update. However, according to the rumors, this tablet will definitely get Android 14 update in the month of March or April 2024. So if you are preparing to buy this tablet, this is the best time for you. Go to Amazon.in and buy this tablet using SBI credit card, and you will get this device under 25,000 rupees. And under 25,000 rupees, according to me, this is the best buy. What's your thought regarding this tablet? Let me know in the comment sections below. And if you have any questions regarding this tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and share the video and subscribe the channel to help me in the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.